In this video, we're going to talk about negative sentences. Negative sentences are formed with the verb do followed by not. Do is irregular. It's different. Let's take a look. I do not. You do not. We do not. They do not. He, she, it does not. When the subject is he, she, or it, we add es to the end of the base verb. The letters OE are pronounced does, does. Now, we like to shorten this up a little bit. We like to make it faster. I don't. You don't. We don't. They don't. He, she, it doesn't. Whenever we take two words and make them one word, we use an apostrophe. Don't and doesn't are followed by base verbs. Do you remember what a base verb is? A base verb is the simplest form of the verb. You'll find base verbs in the dictionary. Let's look at some examples. I have a car. She doesn't have a car. She takes the bus. The subject is she, but we don't use has. Don't and doesn't are always followed by base verbs. She has a car. She doesn't have a car. She takes the bus. He's a cook. He has to work on weekends. I'm a teacher. I don't have to work on weekends. We go to the gym. He doesn't go to the gym. She goes to the gym. He doesn't go to the gym. Let's look at the verb be. Be is different. With the verb be, we don't use the verb do. I am not, or I'm not. You are not, or you're not. We are not, or we're not. They are not, or they're not. He, she, it is not, or isn't. I'm happy. They're not happy. They're angry. He's running. She's not running. She's walking. They're going to school. He's not going to school. He's going to work.